The Supreme Court on Wednesday expressed concern over what it described as a growing trend of judges passing several orders just before retirement, observing that such conduct raises questions about intent. The remarks came while the court was hearing a plea by a principal district judge from Madhya Pradesh who was suspended days before his retirement. The judicial officer who was due to retire on November 30 was suspended on November 19 over two judicial orders passed shortly before superannuation following a full court decision of the Madhya Pradesh High Court. During the hearing, the bench said it had noticed that some judges tend to pass a flurry of orders towards the end of their service. The court compared this practice to a cricketer hitting sixes in the final over, calling it an unfortunate trend. The petitioner argued that he had a clean service record with consistently good performance reports and said disciplinary action should not be taken merely for passing judicial orders, especially when such orders can be challenged before higher courts. The Supreme Court agreed that judges cannot normally be punished for passing incorrect orders. However, it made a distinction between a judicial error and misconduct, observing that while wrong orders can be appealed, action may be justified if the conduct appears dishonest. The court declined to grant immediate relief and asked the officer to approach the High Court for recall of the suspension, directing it to decide the matter within 4 weeks. In a separate case related to the treatment of stray dogs in Delhi, the Supreme Court responded to objections raised over alleged inhuman practices under civic body rules. The Supreme Court said it will play a video during the hearing and ask what constitutes humanity while examining objections to the alleged inhuman treatment of stray dogs under Delhi's civic body rules. The case has been listed for January 7.